Hello there, and welcome to Carrier, a brand that carries a legacy of 124 years in air conditioning solutions. When the heat pushes limits, your comfort shouldn't. Introducing the all-new AI-powered Carrier Ester Edge GXI. Built on over a century of engineering, it is smarter, more efficient, and more heavy-duty than ever before. With 6-in-1 convertible inverter technology, controlling your cooling based on your needs is easy, saving up to 50% energy while staying perfectly cool. And with heavy-duty performance, you enjoy 100% cooling capacity even at 43 degrees Celsius. And when the heat gets intense, this AC delivers powerful cooling even when temperatures climb up to 52 degrees Celsius. This AC has stabilizer-free operation even at 48 degrees Celsius. The Ester Edge Split AC comes with Wi-Fi 2.0 AI Plus and voice assistant compatibility. Control your AC anytime from anywhere by simply asking Google or Alexa. Seamless OTA updates ensure your AC always stays up to date with the latest features. Additionally, geofencing technology senses your location, switching the AC off when you step out and preparing comfort before you return. It works within the range of 200 meters to 5 kilometers from your AC. With 100% copper for faster cooling and longer life, we have also added a special anti-corrosion hydrophilic blue fin coating to the evaporator and condenser. It stops rust before it even starts, giving you a more durable unit that's built to last. We believe comfort should always follow you. That's why with the Follow Me feature, the AC senses the temperature around the remote and directs cooling exactly where you are. The Smart Energy display lets you see power consumption in real time, while the Smart Connect 2.0 app helps you monitor daily usage and estimated bills anytime, while one-click InstaCool delivers fast-forward cooling in just 10 minutes. With the auto on-off timer, you stay in complete control of your comfort and enjoy your personalized cooling needs with My Mode. The auto cleaner with defrost clean technology featuring a 42-minute cycle keeps the coil hygienic and microbe-free, while the PM 2.5 filter ensures cleaner and healthier air. And for complete peace of mind, it comes with a 10-year warranty on the compressor, a 5-year warranty on the PCB, and an additional 5-year comprehensive warranty. Backed by Carrier's Pan-India service network, covering over 20,000 PIN codes and supported by more than 550 authorized service centers. Help is always within reach. Carrier's Ester Edge GXI AC comes in different tonnage capacities, ideal for small to large size rooms. And with an impressive BEE rating with optimized power consumption, enjoy superior cooling while saving energy. Carrier has received the Beta Award for Best Customer Service, reflecting our commitment to exceptional support. With an average customer rating of 4.2 on Amazon, our growing community of satisfied users continues to strengthen the trust in Carrier. With over 1 million customers on India's leading platform Flipkart, Carrier continues to lead the world with whisper quiet efficiency and proven reliability. When you unbox a Carrier AC, you will find everything you need for a seamless installation, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the perfect breeze. Bring home the Carrier Ester Edge GXI Split AC and experience the joy of comfortable cooling.